Good morning. Welcome to the Breath Clinic. And today we are talking about the eyes, vision, and a lot of other things connected with the seeing mechanism. And Kalinbai will elaborate on those later on. I told you there are 6 muscles that move our eyeballs around. So there are 4 that do the side to side and vertical movements, and there are 2 muscles that rotate the eyeball in and out. So we'll work these 6 muscles out by doing a few exercises if you follow along with me, and then you can do at your own leisure, at your own homes. One is to look at in 8 directions of gaze, as we call it. And when we look that way, take the eyeball to as far as you're allowed, you can do. And then at that moment, see what object you're looking at. Now we are connecting the mind and the memory to our vision. And keep a note of what you saw. So later on, you can recollect that when I look to the right, I saw a table lamp, and I'm seeing a pencil sharpener. And when I look to the left, I'm seeing a window, I'm seeing a tree behind the window. So something like that, whatever you're seeing, just keep a note of it in your mind. And so the 8 directions of gaze will be, look all the way to the right and hold it and observe what you're looking. Later on, you can connect the breath with the memory and as well as the vision later. To the right, and now look up and to the right as far as your eyes will take you without moving the head. Straight up as far as the eyelids will go. I mentioned last time also that we forget to look up very much. So in our advanced ages, the upper movement of the eyeball is not there because we never use those muscles. Up and left, all the way to the left, and keep observing what you're seeing. Down and left, straight down, down and right, and back to all the way to the right. We'll do it one more cycle of this. Up and right, straight up, hold it. Every move you do, just hold for a couple of seconds. It gives strength to that muscle that is pulling it up. Up and left, to your left, down and left, straight down, down and right, to the right, and straight. And give it a little break. Those muscles have normally not used to working the extreme gazes. We move our eyes all the time, but they're limited scale. We don't go like this. And now we did that to the muscles, so they get a little bit tired. But now, once we relax them, now this time we'll do what is called circular rotation of the eyeball. And we'll do it clockwise, and then we'll do it anti-clockwise. So we start with a center point, whatever you're looking at straight ahead, keep your chin and your head stable, look straight at this, whatever object you're looking at, and look straight up without moving the head. Just look up, and to the right, down, just down as far as you can go, to the left as far as you can go, up as far as you can go. Now we are making a circular, continuous movement. As against when we did the previous one, we held the gaze for a few seconds. So then do the other way around. To the left, complete the circle, down, down and right, up and right, straight up and left, left, down and left, down, all down and right, right, and then up and right, up, and then come back to the central point that you were started with. And give it a couple of seconds. Again, if you want to give them a gentle massage. And Dr. Kalin Bhai taught us the role of tapping. We'll do that at the end. The third one is where we want to connect our mind with these movements. And this is an imaginary figure of 8 that you want to have in front of your eyes. And now follow the loops of that 8 in a clockwise manner, and then come down and follow the other loop in an anti-clockwise manner. So we'll do a figure of 8. That way our mind will be very focused on what we are doing. So look straight ahead, and now you do your own imaginary 8, as big or as small as you want. And now follow that to the left side, left part of the loop, and climb the loop as you're seeing it. Just follow that 8, and you actually see the 8 in the air. Come back to the central spot. Follow the lower loop in an anti-clockwise manner. Follow the loop of the lower loop of the 8, and then rotate it and come back to the center and follow again up and to the left, and then watch the circle, watch the loop, follow the loop, come back to the center, anti-clockwise way, follow the lower loop, and come back to the center. And last one we'll do on the gaze will be just give it one final push to the lateral and vertical movements. Look straight ahead, look all the way to the right. This time you can include your breath with it. Inhale, look to the right, exhale, and observe what you're seeing. Inhale, bring it back in the center, and take a deep breath. Inhale. Now, as you exhale, go all the way to the left. Exhaling and also observing now, making a little bit life harder for us, and come back to the center. And that was the horizontal gaze, push. And now we do the vertical one time. Inhale, look up, and exhale at the same time. Inhale, come down. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. And so that gives the